Hi, my name is Viviana and I am the resident juicer here at the center. So one thing that I've really noticed, especially coming in on a weekly basis, is that when I'm meeting clients, I'm introducing them to a new idea. Maybe some of them don't eat vegetables, maybe some of them don't like certain kinds of fruits or never tasted these combinations. So one thing is educating them on the benefits, helping them see, hey, it's pretty easy. We make it very accessible, which is really important because that allows them to bring it part of their daily routine, as well as asking them questions because if you have certain health issues, really important to acknowledge because we can work with you to make sure you're drinking the right things to help out with the body. Most of the time it's just exposing them to the juice. After a week they may have more questions, right? They have tasted them, they've been seeing it part of their daily routine, and maybe after that they may be a little bit curious, like, okay, why is it that beets taste this way? And why should I put them into my body? That curiosity happens over time, and it's been really, really beautiful to see even the most peculiar, closed-off individuals be more open to it because it's done in an open space, and I think that's been really lovely. So pretty simple. As humans, my goal is to help people see how eating live and high vibrational foods bring the best benefits. When you eat anything that's dead or deteriorating, you're not getting the most high nutrition from it. So the body reacts based off what it eats. As I said, we are what we eat, right? Things like carrots, they're vibrant. We can see them a mile away as soon as we walk into a store, right? But what comes along with consuming it is everything. Carrots are a great antioxidant, they're great anti-inflammatory. This is a thing that's called golden pine, and it's got mango in it. Pineapple, coconut milk that's freshly made, a hint of ginger, and I think that's basically it. An orange. So this is a really great anti-inflammatory. So things are great anti-inflammatory. They help bring up, they help with full blood circulation, reduce mucus, boost the immune system, and then help out with the interior gut lining. So our gut plays a really big role in our microbiome, which basically means is all these tiny little bacteria that are fighting to keep our body stable because it's their home too, right? As we're primarily made out of bacteria. It's pretty interesting. In every single one of these products, you'll find something that's not only going to nurture the body, but help heal it over time. So consistency is really big. So having the juice available for them to walk up to and grab, have flavors that are familiar, tasty, not too pungent, is really important because you don't want to suffer when you're trying to be healthy. That's why people look away from dark leafy things because one, they don't like the flavor, or they already don't do greens or vegetables, and then you give them something that tastes way too bitter or way too pungent, and they're like, maybe it's not for me. But it can be. You just gotta add tons of lovely oranges and mangoes and things that people love. What really surprised me is people's openness and willingness. So I love that when we bring the juice, it's always done like in a communal sense. So if I give someone a wellness shot, like we split it up and everyone takes about 1 ounce of wellness shots. So everyone gets to experience the same thing together. And so it feels like, hey, it's a good association because we become a product of our environment. So seeing other people practice something new, maybe that they haven't tried before, maybe I've seen a lot of interesting characters just be like, I didn't think I would like that, but that's pretty interesting. It's a new journey. It's a new journey and opportunity to share this experience with other people that are trying to heal has been huge, and bringing high frequency things and talking about health is amazing because you never know how you can impact someone's life. So having that opportunity, especially in a place like this, means everything.